Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Georgi. Today I'm going to show you how to use Tailwind CSS filters to create beautiful images effects. Tailwind CSS have just released its version 2.1 and it has some huge things inside. In this version, Adam Walton and team have added a first-class support for CSS filters. Let's see how easy it is to use them. I have prepared an example with multiple images to demonstrate how the CSS filters are working. The only thing you need to do is add a class filter and then the filter you want to apply. Let's start by showing the Grayscale filter first. Only thing we need to do is add class, filter, and then the filter we want to apply, in this case Grayscale. This will make our image gray. The next filter that is available is filter sepia. This will make our image have the sepia effect. The third filter we have in Tailwind CSS is the invert filter. This filter will invert the colors of our image. Next effect we have is Saturate Filter, and we can apply the certain value of the saturation, let's say 150. You can see the image has a higher saturate. Next we have a Hue Rotate Filter, which is a filter to rotate the hue of our image. Hue Rotate, let's say 30. If we use Hue Rotate 30, we will see the colors are rotated to 30. If we let's try also 60, see it has changed the colors hue. We can do 90, etc. Next, there is a filter which allows us to control the contrast of our image. We can make it again with certain values. Let's try with 150. If we scroll down, we have a picture with higher contrast. Next filter we have is the brightness filter. Control, we can do filter, brightness, and let's say 110 brightness. And if we scroll down, we'll see the image has a higher brightness, or we can lower it as well to 50. You can see how dark the image became. The last filter we have available is the blur filter, which we can blur an image with it. We also have a different value of the blur. It can be small. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you can subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to get notified when I post the next video. See you next time.